Hey everyone, we are here at BSC Expo here in London in Battersea Park. It's February 2026 and we're here to find out what has got everybody excited this year. Hey everybody, we're on the Nanlite and Nanlux stand with everyone's main man, Alister Chapman. Alister, what's been exciting you this year at BSC Expo?
I have to say, because I'm on the Nanlite stand, I'm going to talk about this, which is it actually is an Evoke. So the Evoke lights are Nanlux's professional lights for high-end cinema-type production. They start at 5,000 watts with the big ones behind me, going all the way now down to a 60-watt lamp. And with this one as well, a 5-watt miniature lamp. And it actually has the Nebula C8 engine, so it's red, green, blue, amber, cyan, lime, and far red. So you have the full spectrum of light, any color you want. Really, really good skin tone rendition from it. But the idea is it's this really useful modular system. So that is the light. These are pre-production prototypes, so these are brand new. We're not even actually supposed to be talking about them here at the show, I will say that, because this may not be exactly how the final thing is. That's the basic light, 5-watt output light, and then we have these modifiers. So this is a CRMX adapter for CRMX control that goes on the back of that. If you want to run it, yeah, that's a good one. If you want to run it on mains, you can put that in, screw it into a light fixture. If you want to turn it in...
So it actually takes the power, it's not just...
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yes, the power supply is built into that. So there's some amazing miniaturization taking place to do that. You can use it with or without the CRMX adapter. Either way, it will work. And that now becomes a remotely controlled CRMX light bulb that you can put in your practical light. But we can go way beyond there. You could use it as a top light for your camera. Yeah. You could use it as a little spotlight. Or we got a projector lens that we can put on there. Little projector lens, you can put you got the shutters, everything you'd expect to find on a Leco type projector lens. We can shutter it, we can put gobos in it. Multicolored lights, you can do color washes with it. Wow. Comes with a nice little, take that off. So your little mount. So you can now put it on your little mount, which will go on a tripod. You could use it as a floor stand. So you could just have that doing a little uplighter on a wall.
Extra battery?
And then, yeah, if you need more power, we have a battery. Goes on there like that. And that'll run for about, in that configuration, about 3 hours, something like that. So the basic light like that will run for about an hour. With that on there, it's about 3 hours. It's IP67, so it's actually submersible down to 1 meter. So you could actually use it underwater. And I've been told, I haven't tested it, that the basic lenses, the Fresnels and everything else will work underwater.
Wow.
So it's a really interesting thing for so many things. It will only ever be available as a kit. So you will buy a one light unit that will come with all of the modifiers. And the idea is that it's something that you've got in your kit, you turn up and suddenly you have that difficult lighting challenge. How do I light the guy's face? How do I do that? And you'll open your little box up and say, that one's going to do it. Slap that one on and off you go. It is an Evoke 5C from Nanlux. But you're not allowed to talk about it or anything else. It's hush-hush top secret because it's not launched yet.
Right. So don't mention it, everybody. The Nanlux new little lighting kit here. What a fascinating idea. Thank you, Alister.
Yeah. Okay, you're welcome.